The best remedy for cataracts. Natural home treatment for cataracts. Is it real or just another internet myth? Did you know cataracts are a leading cause of vision loss worldwide? Are there treatments for cataracts besides surgery? There are ways to slow this disease's progress. Ever wonder if we could treat cataracts without surgery? Cataracts cloud the eye's natural lens, causing blurred, diminished vision, even vision loss. Cataracts are a major cause of vision loss, especially in older adults. Cataract surgery is one of the most common procedures worldwide. Cataracts have various causes. The most common cause is aging. Age-related cataracts are the most common type, resulting from the eye's natural aging process. So what happens over time? Proteins in our eye's lens accumulate and clump together, making the lens cloudy. The once clear lens becomes opaque. This is the main cause of cataracts, but we also have congenital cataracts. Some babies are born with or develop cataracts early due to genetics, pregnancy infections, metabolic diseases, or eye injuries. The third type is traumatic cataracts. Eye injuries like blows or wounds can lead to cataract development. This trauma damages lens fibers and proteins, making it opaque. This is likely how my father developed cataracts. My father is 64 and had cataracts in just one eye. Doctors suspect this cataract was caused by some trauma. The fourth cause is cataracts from chronic UV exposure, like excessive sunlight. This can increase the risk of developing the disease, but it's important to get some sun exposure. It's crucial to let your eyes contact sunlight, especially early morning and late afternoon, because it's very beneficial for your eye health. It boosts intraocular dopamine, a key neurotransmitter for proper eye function. The fifth cause is medication use, particularly corticosteroids. And the sixth is medical conditions like diabetes, a common cause of cataracts, metabolic diseases, chronic eye inflammation. And these medical conditions typically come with inflammation and oxidative stress, which will speed up cataract development. Some nutritional deficiencies can also accelerate this process, such as not consuming enough omega-3 fatty acids, zinc, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, zeaxanthin, and lutein, which also increases the risk of cataracts. What's the standard treatment for cataracts? Folks, the gold standard for cataract treatment is surgery called physectomy, where the cloudy natural lens is removed and replaced with an artificial one. This common, simple procedure involves the ophthalmologist making a small incision to remove the cloudy lens and insert a new artificial intraocular lens. Like all surgeries, it can have complications. Dry eyes, drooping eyelids, floaters, those little specks in your vision, and it may not always work. The surgery might be unsuccessful, causing vision loss or no improvement. There are other treatments available. Although cataract removal surgery is most common and effective, while surgery is the definitive solution, other treatment options are available depending on the disease stage and individual needs. These options may be temporary and might not significantly improve vision. What are these options? Optical correction in early cataract stages. When vision is still fairly good, glasses or contacts can help improve visual quality. These corrections compensate for lens curvature changes and can enhance visual clarity. This is a palliative measure that won't solve the problem but can minimize its impact. Another approach that fits this profile is lifestyle adaptation. This involves staying in well-lit areas, avoiding excessive sun exposure, and wearing sunglasses for UV protection, and also the use of magnifying lenses for reading. But folks, there are certain foods that can help slow down the progression of cataracts, and there's also an eye drop that's getting a lot of buzz. It's being studied, and in the few trials conducted, it seems to be quite promising. So what are these foods that can slow cataract progression? Folks, the eye is greatly affected by blood sugar levels. More sugar means more inflammation and oxidative stress causing cataracts. So more inflammation and oxidative stress increase cataract risk. Our body produces antioxidants and anti-inflammatories to protect against these, but it doesn't hurt to seek these substances in our diet as well. So what foods can help slow down cataract progression? Remember, I'm not saying these foods will cure cataracts because they won't, okay? But they might prevent early onset and delay the development of cataracts. Many eye doctors say everyone will develop cataracts at some point in life. I'm not sure if that's true, but if someone lived 200 years, they'd likely get cataracts. But if we eat the right foods, we can reduce this risk too. So what are these foods? Foods rich in carotenoids, which are precursors to vitamin A, yellow, orange, red, and purple foods. These foods are rich in beta-carotene. Also, foods high in lutein and zeaxanthin like egg yolks, avocados, spinach, and Oropronobis. Foods rich in anthocyanins and antioxidant flavonoid found in red, purple, and blue fruits help relax eye muscles through vasodilation. Calcium-rich foods are also important for our eye health. A good recipe for eye health is mixing red fruit like strawberries with yogurt. Mix it with kefir, a probiotic yogurt that's easy to make at home. This red fruit and kefir mix helps combat oxidative stress. It's also crucial to watch your sugar intake. High blood sugar, prediabetes, and diabetes increase your risk of cataracts. For eye drops, there's a medication called N-acetylcarnosine. This substance has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and anti-glycating effects. What's that? Glycation is a process that contributes to cataract formation. It's a chemical reaction where sugar molecules bind to proteins of the lens, causing protein changes and creating opacity in our eye's lens. However, folks, even though we have some studies showing potential benefits of this eye drop, we still can't definitively say. The studies and scientific articles aren't yet conclusive. They don't have the highest level of scientific evidence. So the evidence is limited and inconclusive. So I can't sit here as a doctor and tell you that N-acetylcarnosine will cure your cataract, because that would be lying. Dr. João, what's your take? Do you think it could help? I think there's logic to it. It's plausible. But based on current studies, I can't guarantee it works. That'd be irresponsible. The definitive treatment for cataracts remains cataract surgery, okay? However, a healthy lifestyle where you exercise regularly, where you eat well, sleep well, and manage stress, where you effectively control hypertension, diabetes, and high cholesterol, where you prevent heart attacks and strokes and prevent cancer, this lifestyle can indeed help to delay the onset of cataracts. So, folks, eating well, staying physically active, maintaining a healthy weight, sleeping well, not drinking, not smoking, managing stress, all this is crucial to prevent not just cataracts, but also heart attacks, strokes, cancer, and poor circulation. It's vital to improve your blood pressure, blood sugar, and cholesterol levels. So for the best lifestyle, read my book, The Longevity Code, with 100 habits to live past 100. These habits will help protect you from cataracts, cancer, heart attacks, and strokes, bringing you more energy, vitality, and quality of life. And they'll help you treat various health issues without meds, exams, or doctors. If you want this for yourself, here's what to do. Click now on the first link in the description or the pinned comment link and get it now for just $29.90 in digital format, which is the only version available, your longevity code. If you're not satisfied, no worries. I'll refund you, guaranteed. So click now on the first description link or pinned comment link. Folks, don't trust everything online. Seek reliable sources like Dr. João's channel. Join our family. If you're not subscribed yet, if you've just arrived, if this is your first time watching my live stream, come on over, hit the subscribe button below, and don't be shy. You're very welcome as a new member of our family, Dr. João's channel. Trust me, here you'll find quality science-based information. Deal?